Chapter 7 OneNote. Contents in this chapter: Features of OneNote, Starting OneNote, Components of OneNote window, Opening an existing notebook, Sections in notebook, Templates, Creating notes in OneNote, Quick Note, Record audio and video, Adding and attaching a file, Sharing notebook. OneNote is a part of the Microsoft Office suite. It is designed to take handwritten or typed notes. It creates a single place to store all your notes and information. It helps to assemble and organize text, images, audio, and video clippings together at one location on your computer. Features of OneNote. 1. It uses optical character recognition or OCR to import images and handwritten notes. You can use technology to automatically import text. 2. With OneNote, you can record both audio and video directly into your notes without the use of a third-party application or software. 3. You can drag and drop files to insert them into your notes. OneNote lets you attach them to pages with almost zero effort. These include audio and video files, as referenced above, and also PDF files, Word docs, and more. 4. It automatically sources what you copy and paste from the web. Anything you copy and paste from the internet into OneNote will automatically show the source it comes from. 5. Suppose you plan to share your notes with coworkers or potential clients, but you have sections that include sensitive data. OneNote allows you to password protect individual sections of your notes for just this purpose. 6. Like all Microsoft products, OneNote integrates easily with other Microsoft apps such as Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. If you're not already using it, you're basically taking notes. Important fact: OneNote 2016 was released in September 2015. Starting OneNote. To work with OneNote, you need to open it. 1. Go to Start. 2. Click on All Apps. 3. Click on OneNote 2016 option. 4. A OneNote window comes on the screen. Components of OneNote window. The various components of OneNote window have been explained. Quick Access Toolbar. Quick Access Toolbar is present at the top left corner of the window. It has the frequently used commands such as undo, redo, print, etc. Title bar. Title bar is the top bar of the window which displays the title of notebook. Ribbon. A ribbon comprises of tabs and groups. When you click on a tab, it opens a set of commands organized in a group. Notebook pane. Notebook pane shows the list of notebooks that you have created on OneNote. Notebook section. You can add sections in Notebook in which you add notes related to the section. Search box. Search box is used to search for any text in a current page or entire notebook. Notebook pages. It shows the pages of the current notebook section. Creating a new notebook. Take the following steps to create a new notebook in OneNote. 1. Click on File menu. 2. Click on New option from the list. 3. A new notebook window comes on the screen. 4. Click on This PC option. 5. Type the name of the notebook in Notebook Name text box. 6. Click on the Create Notebook button placed below the text box. 7. A new notebook is displayed on the screen. Opening an existing notebook. Take the following steps to open an existing notebook. 1. Click on File menu. 2. From the list, select Open option. 3. An open notebook window appears. 4. An open dialog box appears. 5. Type the name of the file which you want to open, or browse or click on the file to open it. 6. You can also browse for a notebook that is saved in a different location by clicking on the Browse option. Rename a section. You have seen a single notebook for 3 subjects for creating notes on separate subjects. Similarly, in OneNote, you can create separate sections and each section consists of pages in which you can add notes. By default, there is only one section in a notebook. You can add many sections to make notes in it. Renaming a section. 1. Create a notebook. 2. When you create a notebook, it creates a default section, namely New Section 1. 3. To rename the default section, double-click on the New Section 1. A text box appears with the default name highlighted. 4. Type the new name for the section and press Enter key from the keyboard. Adding a new section. To add a new section in a notebook, follow the given steps. 1. To create another section, click on these Create a New Section plus tab. 2. A new tab appears with the default name highlighted. 3. Type the new name for the new section and press Enter key from the keyboard. Adding title and page. Each section that you create begins into an untitled page, as can be seen in the right pane of the OneNote window. This page has a blank header below the section tabs. The header displays the date and time of creation. 1. To add a title to the page, click on the blank header over the horizontal line. Type a title and press the Enter key. 2. You can see that when you type title, it also appears on the Page tab in the right pane. 3. You can also right-click on the Page tab. Choose Rename option and type a name. 4. To add a new page in a section, click on Add Page Plus option at the top of the Page tab in the right pane. 5. A new untitled page appears. Click on it and to open it, add title by clicking on the blank header. Changing the page color. The default page color is white. You can change the default colors of the page by following the given steps. 1. Go to the View tab. 2. In Page Setup group, select the drop-down arrow of Page Color option. 3. A list appears on the screen containing various colors. 4. Select the desired color and that gets applied to the page. Templates. OneNote provides you with many pre-designed layouts called templates. These templates enhance the appearance of your notebook. Take the following steps to add a template. 1. Click on Insert tab. 2. In Pages group, click on the drop-down arrow of Page Templates. 3. Select Page Templates option from the drop-down list. 4. A Templates task pane opens on the right side of the window. 5. In Add a Page section, there are 5 categories of templates: Academic, Blank, Business, Decorative, Planners. 6. Click on any category of template to get it selected. 7. It will display various options of template. 8. Select any option by clicking on it and a new page opens with selected template. 9. Click Close button to close the task pane. Important fact: a new page can be created by pressing Ctrl plus N key combination. Taking notes in OneNote. There are many ways to take notes in the OneNote application, like typing, writing with a light pen, drawing, audio notes through a microphone, etc. Typing notes. Typing notes using a keyboard is the simplest way to create notes. 1. Open a section in which you will type notes. 2. Click on the page. A cursor appears on the screen. 3. Now, start typing by pressing keys on the keyboard. 4. You will notice that when you start typing, a small note window appears and a text is typed in it. 5. When you move the cursor to the top edge of the small note window, a pointer changes its shape to four-headed arrow. Now, click and drag the pointer to move the note to anywhere on the page. Handwritten notes. Follow the given steps to write notes in your own handwriting. 1. Click on Draw tab. 2. Select any colored pen or highlighter in Tools group. 3. With the help of the mouse or stylus, begin writing notes. 4. You can also change the color and thickness of the pen by clicking on Color and Thickness option. 5. A color and thickness window appears, and select the desired color and thickness and press OK button. Convert handwriting to text. 1. We can also convert our handwriting to typed text by clicking on the Draw Ink to Text. 2. If the Ink to Text command is not functioning, right-click on the handwritten text and select the option Treat selected ink as Handwriting. Quick Notes. OneNote allows you to create quick notes with or without opening the OneNote app. As you write down your thoughts and ideas on sticky notes, likeness, quick notes are preferred to capture your thoughts on one device. To create a quick note, take the following steps. Press Windows key plus N. It will open a small quick note window in your OneNote notebook. Type your notes in the window. Format the text using the mini toolbar if needed. To view this OneNote ribbon, click the 3 small dots displayed on the top of the quick note window. Click on the full page view on the View tab to view the quick note in full screen mode. You may not be able to view the Save command in a quick note window. This is because a quick note is saved automatically under the Quick Notes section located at the bottom of the notebook pane. Record audio. Another important feature of OneNote is audio recording. Suppose you are in a class where your teacher is giving a lecture on some important topic. You are not able to make notes so fast to cover each and everything in a lecture. Using OneNote, you can record the audio provided that you must have a microphone connected to your computer. To record audio notes, follow the given steps. 1. Place the cursor to the position where your recorded audio is required. 2. Go to Insert tab. 3. Click on Record Audio option in Recording Group. 4. A mic icon appears on the screen and recording will begin. 5. A Playback tab comes on the ribbon. 6. When recording completes, click Stop button on Playback tab, Playback Group. 7. An audio icon appears on the page also. 8. To play the audio, select the audio icon from the page and click on Play button present on the Playback tab. Recording video. You can also create video note and attach it to the notebook in OneNote. To create a video recording, take the following steps. 1. Bring the cursor at the position where recording is to be inserted. 2. Go to Insert tab. 3. Click on Record Video option in Recording Group. 4. A media icon appears and recording will begin. 5. A Playback tab is displayed on the ribbon. 6. Click on the Stop or Pause option in the Playback group on the Audio Video tab to stop the recording. 7. To replay the video recording, select the media icon and then click on the Play option. Adding file. OneNote adds the printout of a file to the notes and allows user to add notes to it. 1. Go to Insert tab. 2. In Files group, select File Printout option. 3. A Choose Document to Insert dialog box appears on the screen. 4. Browse and select the file whose printout you want to insert in your page. 5. Click Insert button. Attaching a file. Follow the given steps. 1. Select Insert and then File Attachment button from Files group. 2. This option attaches a file by placing the file icon at the cursor position. 3. You can double-click on the icon to open it in a separate window. Adding a spreadsheet. This option will help you to add an existing Excel spreadsheet or create a new one in your OneNote notebook. 1. Take the cursor to the position where you want to insert a spreadsheet. 2. Go to Insert tab. 3. In Files group, click on drop-down arrow of Spreadsheet option. 4. From the drop-down list, select Existing Excel Spreadsheet option. 5. A Choose to Insert document comes on the screen. 6. Select the file and click on Insert button. 7. An Insert File box opens. It contains 3 options. A. Attach file. This includes the file as an attachment. B. Insert spreadsheet. The spreadsheet is inserted on the page. C. Insert a chart or table. It will compile the data of the spreadsheet in the form of a chart or table and insert it in a notebook. 8. Click on the desired option. A spreadsheet will be inserted depending on the selected option. Sharing notebook. One of the best features of OneNote is that it allows you to share your notebook with multiple people. When you share your notes, you can specify that whether the notes will be read only or editable by other people. If you select the edit mode, it enables the people to make changes to the notebook, and these changes will be saved automatically in the notebook. Follow the given steps to share your OneNote notebook. 1. Go to File menu. 2. From the list, select Share option. 3. A Share Notebook window comes on the screen. 4. You can share the notes by using one of the following 3 methods. A. Share with people. B. Get a sharing link. C. Share with meeting. Share with people. 1. In Share with People section, type the names or email addresses of the people with whom you want to share your notes. 2. Click on the drop-down list on the right and select Can View or Can Edit to make the notes read-only or editable by another person. 3. You can add some message in the next box. 4. Click on the checkbox of Require user to sign in before accessing document. 5. Click on Share button. Get a sharing link. Sharing links are useful when you want to share your notebook with a large group of people. 1. Go to File menu. 2. Select Share option from the list. 3. A Share Notebook window appears on the screen. 4. Select Get a Sharing Link option. 5. Now, to get a View Link or Edit Link, click on the Create Link button located on the right side of the pane. Share with Meeting. This option allows you to take notes during a meeting. You need not note down everything at that time. You can share notes with other people and contribute to the shared notebook during a meeting. 1. Select Share option from File menu. 2. Select Share with Meeting option. 3. A Share Notes with an online meeting dialog box opens. 4. Select the meeting with whom you want to share notes. 5. Click on OK button. Snapshot. Microsoft OneNote is a note-taking and personal information manager (PIM) application for collecting, organizing, and sharing digital information. Notebook pane displays the list of notebooks that you have created in OneNote. Search box is used to search for any text in a current page or entire notebook. You can create separate sections, and each section is made up of pages in which you can add notes. By default, there is only one section in a notebook. A template provides an attractive and enhanced look to your notes by adding background and layout to it. You need a keyboard to be attached to the system in order to type notes by pressing keys. To create handwritten notes, you need a stylus or pen and a touchpad or touchscreen. It allows you to collaborate with other people and share your notes with them.